Researchers have recently discovered what might be an entirely new and independent planetary system at the edge of the solar system. NASA has revealed what is really hiding in the Kuiper Belt, and it's a world full of bizarre objects that may follow different laws than the rest of the solar system. This region, home to countless small planets, extreme trans-Neptunian objects, and enigmatic asteroids, is opening up a new frontier for space exploration. While we are only at the beginning stages of understanding this distant zone, the Kuiper Belt is revealing secrets that were previously hidden in darkness. The Kuiper Belt, located 30 to 55 astronomical units (AU) from the Sun, is a region where light hardly reaches, making it difficult for telescopes to observe. However, the existence of the Kuiper Belt has been hypothesized for a long time. In the 1950s, astronomer Gerard Kuiper proposed that a structure similar to the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter exists beyond Neptune. He came to this conclusion because even though the objects were invisible, they left traces in the overall structure of the solar system. As technology advanced, we learned more about this mysterious region, which was formed 4.6 billion years ago from the protoplanetary nebula that surrounded the young solar system. The objects within the Kuiper Belt are remnants from this early phase: dwarf planets, comets, rocks of various sizes, and dust particles that tell the story of the solar system's origins. Almost all the objects in the Kuiper Belt share one thing in common: they have not accumulated enough mass to become large, round planets. Even the smaller planets in this region were unable to gather sufficient mass to evolve into fully fledged planets. The Kuiper Belt spans $25 to $50, or 3.7 to 7.4 billion kilometers. This range is somewhat imprecise because the region has been only sparsely explored, and many of its objects have highly elliptical and oblique orbits. In the scattered disk area of the Kuiper Belt, scientists estimate that over 100,000 objects have diameters greater than 100 kilometers. The total number of smaller objects, including ice and rock fragments, likely numbers in the billions, but their precise quantity remains undetermined due to the limitations of current telescopes. Among these enigmatic celestial bodies, Pluto is the most well-known object in the Kuiper Belt. Once considered the ninth planet, Pluto was the gateway to this remote region. Its discovery in 1930 was celebrated as a major achievement, but until the New Horizons probe flew by Pluto in 2015, we didn't even have a clear image of the dwarf planet. The images previously used in textbooks and online were artistic renditions, with the first real image of Pluto only arriving in 2015. Pluto's surface turned out to be surprisingly complex, featuring mountains of frozen nitrogen, honeycombed landscapes, and colorful surface features that suggest ongoing geological activity. Pluto's largest moon, Charon, is so massive that some scientists argue Pluto and Charon should be classified as a double dwarf planetary system. Pluto also has 4 smaller moons, Nix, Hydra, Kerberos, and Styx, which are misshapen and much smaller. Since 2006, Pluto has been classified as a dwarf planet, following the discovery of other small planetary bodies in the Kuiper Belt. These dwarf planets, including Eris, Haumea, and Makemake, have reshaped our understanding of the solar system's outer reaches. Eris, for instance, is nearly as large as Pluto, though it is more massive. Haumea, with its rapid rotation, is elongated and irregular in shape, and Makemake is believed to be an icy object similar to the moons of Saturn and Jupiter. The exploration of extreme trans-Neptunian objects, ETNOs, has opened up an entirely new chapter in the study of the outer solar system. These objects, characterized by their wide, eccentric orbits, include notable examples such as Sedna and 2012 VP-113, nicknamed Biden. These objects are located far beyond the orbit of Neptune, with Sedna's orbit stretching up to $936 from the Sun. It takes Sedna over 11,000 years to complete one orbit around the Sun. The discovery of Sedna in 2003 was groundbreaking because it suggested that the solar system was much larger than previously believed, extending into regions beyond the Kuiper Belt. 2012 VP-113, or Biden, is another extreme trans-Neptunian object with an elongated orbit that may have been influenced by the gravitational forces of an unknown massive object. This mysterious gravitational influence has led some scientists to hypothesize the existence of Planet 9, a massive planet that could be affecting the orbits of these distant objects. Although still unproven, the search for Planet 9 is intensifying as researchers continue to study the ETNOs. One of the most peculiar objects found in the Kuiper Belt is Arrokoth, formerly known as 2014 MU-69, a contact binary object that was closely observed by NASA's New Horizons mission in 2019. Located 6.6 billion kilometers away from Earth, Arrokoth has an odd shape that some have described as resembling a flying potato. Its two lobes, measuring 22 kilometers and 50 kilometers in diameter, respectively, are believed to have slowly merged during the solar system's formation, providing important clues about the early accretion processes. Arrokoth's smooth and red surface is covered with methane ice, and its unusual shape and features have intrigued scientists. The red hue is likely the result of cosmic rays interacting with organic compounds on its surface, which raises the possibility that organic material, a key component for life, exists in this distant part of the solar system. NASA's New Horizons spacecraft continues to explore the Kuiper Belt, revealing more about this mysterious region. The mission's primary goal was to study Pluto, but it was later extended to investigate other objects in the Kuiper Belt, such as Arrokoth and other trans-Neptunian objects. These missions are shedding light on the most distant reaches of our solar system, revealing a world that is full of surprises and that challenges our understanding of planetary formation and the laws governing celestial bodies. Despite the tremendous progress in exploring the Kuiper Belt, many mysteries remain. For instance, there is ongoing speculation about whether any of the Kuiper Belt's objects could be of artificial origin. One particularly strange object, dubbed Arrokoth, has been the subject of much debate. Arrokoth, discovered in 1994, has a highly irregular surface and a fast rotational period of just under 5.5 hours. Some researchers have even speculated that it could be a spacecraft of extraterrestrial origin, but no solid evidence supports this claim. The idea of artificial gravity, like that seen in science fiction, has also been discussed in connection with fast-rotating Kuiper Belt objects. If Arrokoth's rotational behavior could generate centrifugal force strong enough to simulate gravity, it would be a remarkable technological feat. Although generating artificial gravity is not beyond the realm of possibility, humanity is still far from achieving this in practice. In conclusion, while we have made significant strides in exploring the Kuiper Belt, this region remains one of the most mysterious and least understood parts of our solar system. From dwarf planets like Pluto and Eris to enigmatic objects like Arrokoth and Arrokoth, the Kuiper Belt continues to captivate scientists and astronomers, offering tantalizing glimpses of what lies beyond the known boundaries of our solar system. As new technologies and missions are developed, we will undoubtedly uncover more about this strange and distant frontier, further expanding our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The Kuiper Belt has fascinated scientists because of the vast number of unknowns it holds. Many of its objects, such as Sedna and 2012 VP-113, have unusual orbits, leading researchers to speculate about the possible existence of a hidden massive planet, often referred to as Planet 9. These mysterious objects and their orbits challenge our understanding of the solar system and suggest that much remains undiscovered. One of the most intriguing discoveries in recent years is the object known as Arrokoth, formerly called Ultima Thule. Studied by NASA's New Horizons mission, Arrokoth has a bizarre double-lobed shape, resembling a flattened pancake connected to a walnut-like body. This strange form provides valuable insights into the formation of celestial bodies in the early solar system. New Horizons, launched in 2006, became the first spacecraft to explore this distant region, capturing detailed images of Pluto and its moons before venturing further into the Kuiper Belt. The Kuiper Belt, despite its remoteness, holds crucial clues to the early history of our solar system. These ancient, icy objects have remained largely unchanged for billions of years, acting as cosmic time capsules. As scientists continue to study them, each discovery brings us closer to understanding how planets and other celestial bodies formed. Future missions, such as proposed flybys or even landers, could provide deeper insights into these distant worlds. The Kuiper Belt isn't just the edge of our solar system, it's a frontier of untapped knowledge, waiting to reveal the secrets of our cosmic origins. While the Kuiper Belt remains a mysterious frontier, exploration has just begun. With new technologies and future missions, researchers hope to uncover more about this distant region, possibly revealing unknown planetary systems, bizarre objects, and even clues about the formation of our solar system. Could some of these distant objects even hint at artificial origins, as some theories suggest? While there is no definitive proof of extraterrestrial involvement, the unusual characteristics of Kuiper Belt objects like Arrokoth and others leave room for speculation. As always, we welcome your thoughts and ideas about these fascinating discoveries. Could we one day find something extraordinary lurking in the far reaches of the solar system? Let us know in the comments, and stay tuned for more exciting updates on the mysteries of outer space.